Don't waste space. Because you waste your space, that means you waste your time. If you sit in the toilet for half an hour, that is not right. So you know, the rest is the leftover customers. My name is Tam and I'm an owner of the Surfing Lizard. Today, I'm gonna show you how to run the floor. Okay, first of all, I'd like to introduce our table system. Okay, it's from this area here, all inside, to that side. That will be table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. No table 10. When the staff get a docket and they see number 1 to number 9, they know exactly those tables are inside. Start from this one here will be number 10, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Make sense? And this one here, number 20, 21 to 29. You get what I mean? So if you got number 26, that means exactly is that number there, 26. Okay, let's go to this side. So this section here, this area, we start from number 40 all the way to 50. 50 is a table at the corner there, next to the door. And then the coffee house is just right there. And only 3 or 4 tables separate over there because that is so separate. That's why we put number 90 to 94. The staff have a docket, size number 92. They need to go to the coffee house area. If you run your own business, you play a little bit with the system. I only show you, introduce you how it works. If you have your own cafe, own restaurant, you figure out how it works to suit your business. You get what I mean? Oh, do you see this number on the table? Do you know what that means? That means you need to go and find this number, not the one on the table. Just like when you drive the car, you cross the red light. The red light is broken out, and then there's a police to guide you. So this is pretty much like police, okay? Listen to the police, don't listen to the broken lights. We use this for takeaway number as well. So when customer order takeaway coffee, takeaway food, we give them this one here. They can sit with the numbers like this, and then we find them. We are a pretty big cafe, look at this. In summertime, we are so busy, so that's why we need a system for staff to follow, so they know exactly what they're doing. Staff, if you walk past, you see all the numbers on the table, make sure you ask customers, are you still waiting for anything? Are you still waiting for drink, for food? If they say no, just take a number away. You guys still waiting for anything else?
Yeah, we got 3.
Okay, no worries. You guys still waiting for anything else? Coffee? Okay, no worries. Let me finish over there, okay? We go over there. You guys still waiting for anything else? This is not the number, I can check it?
Yeah.
Okay. If there's so many numbers on the table, the other staff will get confused. And we don't want staff to get confused. You get what I mean? So make sure you write the number and then bring it back. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy food and have a nice day. See, always talk nicely to customer. Make sure that you make customer feel welcoming, okay? This is the number here, so pretty much you put it back here. And that pipe linked to the till. The person who takes the till can take this number very, very easily. So this is the whole system that I created. I'm going to show you how to run drinks, okay? This is coffee, this is juice. So pretty much this is a barista. This barista here. You will see this is the docket. That will tell you the table number and the items. So FW is a flat white. So large, skinny milk. Usually this docket will be under this, like this. When you hear drinks up, then you come here, you take the tray, make sure you organize it. So usually the barista will leave the coffee like that, okay? With this, your job is wrap the plate up here, put one serviette on, like this, and then put it down. And then we carry in to the customers. Now you're searching for number 78. 78 is not the number on the table. 78 is the stand. So we search for that stand, okay? It's very easy because not many people have the stand. They always come and then tell us the table number. Usually. Go 78, 78. It's not here. I think the 78 is just next to the coffee house there. No, that's 76. Are you waiting for drinks, lady? No, no one? Okay, not them. So if not sure, to ask customers, are you waiting for drinks? Otherwise, just go and search them. 78 anywhere here. Oh, they are over there. Put the drink on the table, you ask the customers what drinks that they ordered. What did you order?
Skinny flat white.
That's yours. Here you go.
Thank you.
And then we give the customer the correct drinks. The correct drinks.
Thanks so much.
This is your flu fighter. And are you waiting for anything else? So, customers still waiting for food. Don't take the number. Leave the number here because more food is coming. Unless the customer not waiting for anything else, then you take the number away. Make sense?
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much for your
Are
patience.
you allowed to take that one as well?
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And if you see any empty cups on the table, please
Thank you.
take it away.
Thank you.
Enjoy your coffee, enjoy your drinks, and say something nice. Have a nice day. Enjoy your drink, enjoy your food, enjoy your coffee, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Nice things. And then bring it back to the kitchen. Here you go. Lock it. What to do? You see this? Spike it here. Let's see. And the tray. One here, one here. This here, only one face up. The rest have you face down, okay? Only one face up. Only one face up. You know why? Because when you take this away, the barista only slide one down. So it's ready for the next one. And then when you bring it back, make sure one face up here. System. See, you got to think about that. Every single cent is the money. See the docket there? Look at that, 2 drinks. But it's okay, we show you slowly later. Good for now. So sometimes you need to go 2 or 3 tables at once. So make sure that if you don't know what drink is, make sure you ask the barista. For example, 3 different docket, 135, which is the frappe. For example, it's this one here. This one medium skinny flat white for number 94. This is one of these. And the flu fighter and a large flat white. Another one of these, okay? Straw just right here. So pretty much whatever that you need is around you. Straw is here. Make sure you top it up at the end of the shift, ready for the next day. So when you take the drink, make sure you put the straw in. Yes? Too easy. That's all about common sense. And then you can, like that, okay? Your job is to match. You know matching? So large flat white and the flu fighter will be 2 of these, okay? You put the docket right here, next to each other. This one touch that one. So you know these 2 for this. Frappe by itself, okay? Only this, here. The skinny flat white is here. When you put it down, you're able to see the numbers. You know what I mean? And that's it, just check out. And then go slowly, fry them. And then put on the table for them. Too easy? Not hard. How you run food? So pretty much, when the chef say put up, it's here, okay? With the docket. So this is docket number 21. You know where number 21 is? That side. 21 is on the table. The second table, I can tell you now. Check it out, okay? So eggs benny and the mushroom sand. So we're gonna bring 2 of these to the table. Slowly, I show you how to do 3 plates at once. I'll show you later. Come with me. 21. Let's go 21. Hello, how are you? Here you go. She is my regular. We can have a chat with her. Hey.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm a food runner today. We're doing a little bit training to show my future staff.
Yep.
So I don't have to keep telling them.
Okay.
You know what I mean? That's a smart way.
Yeah.
So I do exactly what I want them to do in the future. So the eggs benny. Make sure that you speak up the name of the dish, eggs benny, and then you know this belongs to this gentleman here. So of course, this belongs to her. So if you have 3 customers on table, ask 2. So you know the rest is the leftover customers.
Probably just mine.
You get what I mean? And then after you leave the table, I hope you enjoy food
Thank you.
and have a nice day.
I can tell you that now.
Okay, it's very good food because she see all the time, so she knows. Duck fat fries, can't go wrong. And then bring that back to the kitchen. Let's spike it. Okay, make sure that when you're on the way back to the kitchen in the weekend, I want always something in your hands. Do you understand what I mean? Make sure if you have nothing to carry, walk past the table, clean dishes. Don't waste your time. Okay, time is money. Like I say, if you can prove your value to your employer, trust me, that he's gonna look after you. Your boss gonna look after you because they want you. They want you. He's or she gonna give you a lot of shift. A lot of shift means a lot of hours. They might promote you up to be a barista because it's all they want is you. You show them the value. So today there's no dishes on the table, which is good because I cleaned everything already. So this one here, see, when you're on the way back, bring something. This belongs to the kitchen. If you do a good job, I'm gonna give you a slushy today. How does it sound to you? It is very, very yummy slushy. In summertime, we sell a lot. We sell up to 100, 200 cups a day. That's all. We've been quiet, nothing to do. What are we gonna do now? Dishes. So we wash dishes. Always something to do. There is always something to do. Remember that, always something to do. If you think there's nothing to do, time for you to go home early. Going home early means no money, so think about it. And here you go, this is a list. If you're unsure, read the list. Opening shift, if you start from 6:45 to 8 o'clock, is what you need to do in the morning. This is not when we get quiet. And then, of course, pick up rubbish if you see any on the floor. Very, very common sense. Closing shift. So close to the time that we close up, we need to do this. Okay? We run around, we find some rubbish on the floor, we pick up. It's very clean today. No rubbish. Okay, now we're searching. You see? On the floor, look at that. Rubbish. What are you gonna do? Pick up. Put in the bin. Too easy. Common sense. If I see you walk around, you see rubbish, and you don't pick up, trust me, I'm not gonna happy about that. Because you can't even do like what common sense people do. That makes me concerned about you. So very important. See rubbish here? Pick up. Okay, lastly, toilet break. I totally understand everybody needs to go to the toilet. But if you sit in the toilet for half an hour, that is not right. And if you keep doing it for so many times, of course, we all know. If I don't know, the other staff know, and then they tell me. Think about it. If you pay for someone to do the job, and that person sit in the toilet for half an hour, would you be happy with that? No, you wouldn't. And don't make me feel that way too. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how I set up a coffee station. And the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make a coffee, how to be a barista. This video, you love it, trust me, you're gonna love all of my videos in the future. Here you go, this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't ask for subscribe, I don't. But I think that my value bring to you is more than just a one click. Please do, if you can.